What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Low Budget Motorcycles YouTube channel. Right here's our new project, 2012 Yamaha R6. It's pretty much probably seen better days, but we like y'all to come along with us on this journey to try to get this thing back in its glory, back on the road. Like I said, it's 2012 R6. We're gonna rebuild. Clutch lever broke off. Front brake lever bent up. Front stay, the whole front piece is missing off of it. Gotta get a couple of wires, speedo and stuff. Got a couple of pinch wires and stuff. It does crank, it don't fire up. I took the radiator off. Radiator was all bent up. Took some of the fairings off. Here go the fairings right here. That was on there from both sides. The tail section. I did order. I do have replacement grips and stuff. Levers, bar ends. This one is packaged in 50 gazillion packages. Appreciate them for packing it the way they did. But the bike do crank. Don't fire up. Here's some popping noise. First time I hear popping noise. Normally crank up. Right. Sound like a fuse blown somewhere. We're gonna figure that out. Like I said, 2012 R6, our new rebuild. We're gonna get this thing back on the road. A lot of wire ends and stuff. Figure out what's going on with these wiring and stuff. It's gonna need a new pipe on it. The pipe is all bent up. Figure out what all this go to. And stuff. Yeah, this is our brand new build here. The tank. Have to get that fixed or repaired or get a whole new tank. First time rebuilding a Yamaha, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. Bar ends. I do got the speedo here. I gotta order the speedo wire and everything, the front stay part. And hopefully in the next video we get it to fire up. That's the main thing. Once we get it to fire up, then we can proceed on with fixing the rest of it. But gonna have to check it out because the bike was just cranking. Could hear the fuel pump. Priming is on. Like I said, don't do it too much. Anybody got any ideas? I did change the tip sensor, so I know I got another one, and it's doing the same thing. You know, hopefully that tip sensor ain't bad also. But she crank, but she ain't firing up. I did change spark plugs in it, because the spark plugs that was in it looked horrible. But come along with us on this journey. Get this baby back on the road. I don't know, somebody said something about on the internet about the gauge. The Speedo had some type of immobilizer on it. I don't know how true that is or not. Like I said, I'm pretty new to Yamahas and stuff. Anybody know anything about that? Please leave a comment on if it does. But like I said, I do have the gauge right here. I gotta order the wire and the headlight wire that goes with it. And then I guess we get the codes off of it and work from there. But this is our new build, 2012 Yamaha R6. Stay tuned for the rest of the teardown and the rebuild of it. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification. Check out our other videos on our other bikes we got for sale. Also, low budget motorcycles.